This is the electric programmable air fryer by TINTALK. I got it yesterday in the mail, and it is a very good oven. If you can see, I have all stainless steel. The whole oven is stainless steel. You have a timer, temperature control at the top, power button, turn it on. Very, very good product. Comes with all of the things you'll need to start. You have the instruction manual, the cookbook, the rotisserie, the tongs. You have the rotisserie cage, which is a plus. You have the oven rack fryer and handle. Here's the box that it came in. Very, very good product, top of the line technology. I love that display. Comes with oven rack. It slips right in. And there it is, the dashboard all lit up. Here's a brand new oven mitt. Very, very good. It's well constructed, top of the line technology, and a very good addition to your man cave, kitchen countertop, or breakfast nook. Very, very good product. I recommend TINTALK air fryer for your home. Very easy to clean. Everything goes in the dishwasher. It is all stainless steel. Very, very good product. Thank you.